everyone and welcome to Brands and Images. This is your image consultant Khushboo Karnawat and I welcome you all to the video that marks the 1 year lovely journey of Brands and Images with all of you. Let me take a moment to thank each and every one of you for all the support, all the love that you have showered upon us in this 1 year. We hope that you guys are with us in the coming videos as well to help us improve, grow and make a bigger family than what we are. So guys, if you're watching this for the first time, don't forget to hit the red little button out there which says subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we upload our next video. Now, we started with the Sugarbox 2nd anniversary edition as our first video and here we have landed unboxing the 3rd anniversary Sugarbox Gold edition. Well, there's a lot of hope associated with Sugarbox this time because 1, it's the anniversary edition, 2nd, it's the gold edition, 3rd, they've already created a lot of hype about it. So I'm really excited. I know you guys are excited too. So what are we waiting for? Let's dig into the Sugarbox 3rd anniversary gold edition. It's a beautiful gold box with black ribbon. I feel this time the quality of the box is also better. Don't waste it, use it. Okay, so let's begin. This is the 3rd anniversary card and now let's unbox it. This is what I'm seeing in the box. It's all pinky. The first product I am taking out are these, which I suppose are the gloves. So let me try it for you. Okay, so I figured it out. So you have to open it and there's this hole for your thumb. Get your thumb out and then reverse it back. Well, these are the gloves. Very beautiful. It is something I don't see much often. So these are lovely, warm, definitely very chic. So if you wear it in some of your picture or something, it's definitely going to look very different and nice. Thumbs up for the first product. The second product that I see here is this. These are here to save your ears from the cold and to keep you warm. Well, I don't like the strawberries because I think they are too kiddish. I would have appreciated if it was a better design. But nevertheless, you can use it inside your house when you're feeling cold and when you really need to put this up and go for it. The third product is a pouch. So these are the little earrings. So it has a star and a block with a golden ring. So they are nice for your casual outfits, but not as great as things that I expected in the Sugarbox anniversary edition. Let's move on to the 4th product. It looks like a golden box, the miniature golden box, and find out what's inside it. It has got a watch. So it's a white color watch with the dial tone and everything. So this is the 4th product. So here we are with a pink clutch and they have shown this before in the sneak peek. Most of us said that they wanted this clutch. So let's open it. So this is it. And once we open it, see what we've got. It comes with a sling. So you can wear it as a sling bag. Then close it like this. The 5th product. Now going on to the 6th product, this is by ORGANIKARE. It's the Oatmeal Lavender Declogging Scrub. It has got a very good bottle with the rope around it. Let me open it. If you all can see, this is how it is. Of course, the smell is heavenly already. So this is a product that I really like and I'm looking forward to use it. The next product, which is the sweet product, it's HERSHEY'S milk chocolate. This one's a good one because this is, I think, everybody likes to have. The last product, it's the hoodie. It says cute but psycho. Let's open it. It's a very sporty hoodie which you can wear on track pants and go out for a walk or something. So guys, here I am wearing this hoodie. It's a cool one. It's not a very good cloth. It's kind of a polyester mixed cotton kind of a cloth. So not a great quality, but yes, not bad for a night suit. So this is the last product from Sugarbox Gold Edition. So quickly let's get back to our original avatar and decide whether we like the Sugarbox or not. So I'm back. Before I opened the box, I was really excited and I really wanted to see products that we have never seen before. But unfortunately, this was a big miss on behalf of Sugarbox, because this edition was supposed to be a good one. These products really disappointed me. They should have given a better clutch, they should have given a better dress. A watch was a big miss out, and the headgear, if you see the headgear, it's quite childish and it looks so local that you could actually get it at a very local store as well. So the gloves, the scrub, these are the two things that I liked. And the clutch also, it's okay, but it's not as per the standards which Sugarbox should have sent. Sorry Sugarbox, you should try better next time, and we are looking for the paparazzi edition. So this is a wrap up for Sugarbox 3rd anniversary gold edition. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did, and do let me know about your comments. I told you my review, you are free to tell what do you think about the Sugarbox this time. This is Khushboo signing off. See you till the next time. Take care.